system of equations problem. We know this is a system of equations because we have two variables, p and q, and we have two equations. So let's organize this equation to something that's more readable. For the first one, we have 7p equals to 9p plus 9q. And that's plus 11. So this becomes 7p minus 9p is negative 2p minus 9q. Alright, that's equals to 11. And then we can just change the signs, which makes it 2p plus 9q equals to negative 11. So that's our first one. Now let's focus on the second one. We have 9q plus 3 equals to negative 4 times 7q plus p. We'll have 9q plus 3 equals to, now we're going to break up this equation. This becomes negative 28. Negative 28q minus 4p. Again, let's organize this. So this becomes 28 plus 9 becomes 37, so 37q, and then plus 4p on both sides. So we get 4p plus 37q equals to negative 3. So let's put that here, 4p plus 37q. Now what we're going to do is multiply this top side by 2 because we want to get a common coefficient for p. So if we multiply both sides by 2, we get 4p plus 18q equals to negative 22 because we multiplied everything by 2. And then our bottom stays the same. 4p plus 37q, equals to negative 3. And then we subtract both sides because we want to get 0 here, and then we want to get a value of q with a number value. So 18 minus 37 is negative 19, so we have negative 19q equals to negative 19. So we know that q is equal to 1. Great. So if q is equal to 1, then we can put q into any other value here. So let's try this one. 2p plus 9q equals to negative 11. So we have 2p plus 9, because q is 1, equals to negative 11. If we subtract 9 on both sides, we get 2p equals to negative 20. And then p equals to negative 10. So if you want to find negative p minus q, you do negative of p minus q, which is 1. This becomes 10 minus 1, and that is 9. So our answer here is 9. Shoot.